Good morning, it's Melynda with the Hungry Hustle Walking Food Tour. And as promised, I am doing an unboxing for Valhalla Organics. Now, the Pickle Club is a community-supported agricultural membership. And because I'm a member, I get first dibs, so I'm really excited. And if you become a member, you can fill out a survey and you can let Chris and Ruby at Valhalla Organics know what you like, and they can customize your box a little bit. Now, this is a membership that features seasonal quarterly boxes, so you're getting the freshest of the fresh. Let's get into it. Okay, so of course, the Pickle Club. Let's talk about the garlic dill pickles. Now, you can, if you love garlic, look at this. You get giant cloves of garlic in there. When I opened up the box to take the jars out, I could smell them. And she wraps them really nice and safe for you. This Pickle Club can be gifted and can be shipped anywhere in the United States, which I think is fantastic. But I want you to hear something. Garlic dill pickles. It's amazing. So good. They're very crunchy and delicious. Good right out of the jar. So the first item, garlic dill pickles. Love them. If you love garlic, you love pickles, that one's definitely for you. The next one I like, I'm not going in any particular order. When I opened up the box, I was pleasantly surprised. This is the mulled apple cider jelly. Now this is like the smell and the taste. It's like that holiday mulled drink, the apple cider with the cinnamon and the allspice and the cloves. I'm excited for this. I'm going to hide this in the back of my fridge. I'm going to eat this with cheese. I know, big surprise. The next item in the box is the sweet pickled beets. Now, normally I am not a fan of pickled beets, but when I open this baby up, and I looked at this color, look at that. I even tried the juice and it's so good. She puts cloves in here, so when you open it, you get that aromatic, you get that smell, and then when you taste it, it's amazing. I see me cutting these up for a salad later. Delicious, colorful, so good. And these are grown in our own backyard, locally sourced. Makes me feel good being a part of the Pickle Club. And then we've got the bread and butter pickles. These are fantastic. Again, you're going to open that. It's got peppers and onions in there. It's savory. And I imagine eating, you know, the summer sausage you get, or salami, or even you can put some pepperoncinis. This is perfect for a cheese platter or by themselves. I'm going to say that every time, I'm sure. So good. It's very savory, and the smell is amazing. I just really like it. Oh, you know what I forgot to tell you? The sweet pickled beets are keto friendly. That's awesome. It's because they have that coconut palm sugar in it, in those. Oh, okay. And the fifth jar is the cowgirl candy. Now, I've never tried this before. It's jalapenos and onions, and then all of her seasonings in there. And then again, you open it up, and it's got this great, I say juice, but sauce, whatever. You can even dip whatever. Look at that. Look at the colors in there. It's jalapenos, and it's got the coconut palm sugar in it. So it's sweet. You bite into it, it's sweet, a little spicy, and then the heat comes after. Now, this is also keto friendly. And if you're like me and you got one of those little mini Dash waffle makers, I see me putting cheese on the Dash, this on it, cut them up a little bit, put more cheese, and then make myself a little jalapeno chaffle. That's what I see me doing. So anyway, recap, cowgirl candy, keto friendly because of the coconut palm sugar, bread and butter pickles, very savory, garlic dill pickles, the crunch, the garlic cloves, so good. Sweet pickle beets, also keto friendly, very flavorful, and the mulled apple cider jelly. I'm very happy with this haul. You know, at Valhalla Organics, they're also the only certified apiary on the West Coast. They have a honey club, so I think I'm going to sign up for that as well. Thank you so much for joining me today on this unboxing. I'm excited for the next box. Come out in probably another 2 months or so, but I will keep you informed. Thank you for tuning in today. Please check out Valhalla Organics at valhallaorganics.org. She has many, many products, wonderful seasonal items to give or to get for yourself, and check it out. Okay, thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.